Pollution levels are on rise, and this is when a good air purifier becomes a crucial part of our households. And Havells, the brand known for making several household devices, appliances, and everything, has a new air purifier for you. The product is named Meditate and it comes loaded with tons of new features. However, this is not important at this point of time. What matters is that it is a premium air purifier from Havells and it costs rupees 64,900. We will talk more about the features and what it offers at this hefty price point. But before jumping into the features and everything else it offers, let's see what we get inside the box. For starters, it comes with the Space Tech air purification technology. Apart from that, the company claims that the air purifier has been tested for efficacy against removal of hazardous gaseous pollutants like CO, TVOC, formaldehyde, SO2, NO2, O3, NH3, and toluene. Apart from that, the air purifier also claims to clean pathogenic microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and fungal strains. The Meditate air purifier comes with TiO2 titanium dioxide coated plates along with UVC and UVA lights that cause a photocatalytic oxidation process to not just filter the pollutants but also claims to destroy them without leaving any harmful byproduct. It uses 6 stages of air purification. The pre-filter stage cleans the particulate matter by using integrated filters such as pre-filter mesh, medical grade H14 HEPA filter and granular activated carbon filter. The second stage of air purification degenerates the viruses, bacteria and hazardous gases by exposing the air to specific wavelengths of light, and the reaction is catalyzed by specific catalysts. The air purifier also comes with a dedicated AQI monitor which comes with 3 capacitive touch buttons for power mode and toggle. The display shows parameters like air quality, battery life and fan speed. The AQI monitor acts like a remote for real-time air quality monitoring as well as controlling the device. Apart from that, the air purifier also includes predictive analysis on app, scheduling automated on-off for everyday use, wireless charging, 360-degree purification, filter life indication and notification. Apart from that, the air purifier is IoT enabled and supports Google Assistant and Alexa devices. So that was the unboxing and quick look of the Havells Meditate air purifier. What do you think about it? Do let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and log on to gadgetsnow.com for daily tech news and updates.